Valve seat grinding. To grind the valve seats in a cylinder head, the proper equipment and grinding stones must be available. On the left is a 45-degree stone for the valve seat angle. In the center is a 60-degree stone used to raise and narrow the valve seat. The 30-degree stone on the right is used to narrow and lower the valve seat as necessary. Before grinding the seats, the stones should be dressed or cleaned using a diamond dressing tool. The stone is attached to a holding fixture which is rotated by the air-powered grinder. The technician is shown dressing the grinding stone on a 45-degree angle with a diamond tip. A pilot of the correct size is inserted into the valve guide. The pilot will keep the grinding stone in the center of the valve pocket so that a concentric valve seat will be ground. The grinding stone is turned by the high-speed air-powered grinder. Use short bursts and avoid pressing down on the grinder. This technician uses layout fluid to check the exact location where the valve contacts the seat. Prussian blue is also commonly used. A small felt ball is used to apply a thin coating of dye to the face of a valve. Some technicians use a felt-type marker on the valve to check where it will contact the valve seat instead of using dye. After the dye is spread evenly over the valve face, the valve is placed into the guide and rotated by hand. Then the valve is removed from the grinder and examined. Notice that the seat is contacting the valve face in approximately the center of the face. The dye should be thoroughly cleaned from both the valve and the seat in the cylinder head. Some service technicians prefer to also use valve grinding compound between the valve seat and the valve face to lap the two surfaces for a better seal. Apply a thin coating of grinding compound on the face. Place the valve into the guide and use a suction cup stick to rotate the valve. The grinding compound between the valve face and seat will help mate the two surfaces. Thoroughly clean the grinding compound from both the valve and the seat. This is a very important operation because leftover grinding compound could quickly cause excessive wear to all other parts of the engine.